Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it is time for another Stampin' Up haul. I've got my tried and trues, my rhinestone basic jewels. Grab those. I'm gonna grab those every time because I go through them so fast. Same with my thick basic white cardstock, and then my standard basic white cardstock. So I grabbed those, actually putting them away. I also like to get some clear medium envelopes. This is envelopes that when we do swaps and stuff, we like to put them in there, keep them nice and safe. And then, of course, a refill for my stamp and seal. So those are my standbys. Now let's get into the fun stuff, which is new stuff. And I grabbed this. It is the bordered ribbon, and I believe this is in pecan pie. Yes, look how pretty that ribbon is. So I picked up that. I also picked up this ribbon. This is a duo combo. So let's go ahead. I'm going to open this up so we could see how pretty they are individually. And look at that. That is a beautiful parakeet party. And then we've got this one here, and I don't know what colors these are actually. Let me see. It doesn't say which one they are. Petal pink. So we've got petal pink. Oh, and this is lemon lime twist. This is not parakeet party. This is a brighter version. So got that. I'll probably write these on there so that I know for the future. I picked up this Stamp Cut and embossing folder, and this is called Twisted Rope. Look at how pretty that is. I cannot wait to use that. This is the Tailor-Made Tags dies. So I don't believe I got that in any bundle. I think I just liked the dies and decided to go for it, and for some reason I'm having trouble opening it. There we go. And let's look at these dies real quick. There we go. So it makes these great tags, and I'm like, I need to get those. I need to grab some of those tags so that I could use them for my mixed media, for my journaling, for my Bible journaling, and anything that I could use these for, of course, for my cards as well. But great little set of dies there. And then I got the Tropical Leaf stamp set. These are in the online exclusive. I got the punch to go with it, and I believe I got this in a bundle. Super cute. Speaking of bundles and online exclusives, new ones just came out, so make sure you look because there's some great specials going on right now. For every $50 you spend, you get a bonus buy of $5, and that means next month in August you can spend that $5. Just use it. So what else is going on right now? Oh, brand new exclusive came out, and today, which may be the last day, it was really quick. Paper Pumpkin is having a sale as well. So go to beautyandthestamper.com or go to jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net and check out the site. All right, so usually when I buy things in a bundle, you get the save the 10%. And for some reason, I did not buy the Monkey Punch. I did buy the stamp set, and I thought maybe I bought the bundle, but I had to buy the stamp set on my own. So I did pay the extra 10%. But look at this. I have been waiting for this for such a long time. If you watch my videos, I don't think there's too many videos that I do not use my Take Your Pick tool. So this is called the Take Your Pick Crafter Tips. There are some great tips to these. We've got this little guy, and that is going to pierce when you pull that back. When you run this along, well, it's probably not going to do it on something you can't see like this, but let me see if I have. When you run this along, you're going to get these little perforations. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So this will be fun. You put that in so you don't get hurt. And all you're going to do, I used it without using the Take Your Pick part, but you just put this in there, and it's another tool. So you could really go to town with this. So I got that one. This one is the X-Acto knife, right? Or a cutting knife. So you can cut around things. I thought that was cool. And then on this side, this one just pops in and out. And we've got two sides to this one. We've got a nice little pick there, so that'll help get some of those dimensionals off, some of the stickers from the sticker paper. And then on this side, it has a nice little piercing side there. So, and then of course, your regular tools have the same. You've got a little piercing side there. This one is much longer. And then this one has that little spatula side as well. So, very cool. I am definitely excited for these new tools. As soon as I saw them, I was like, yes, I need to get those. And then we had to wait until the new catalog came out. So now that that is out, we get to use those. And here we go. I am super excited about all of these. So let me know. I think this is probably my favorite. And then also the bundle with the tropical leaf and punch is really cute. I can't wait to show you those. There is a truck bundle that just came out, you guys, on the online exclusives. Now, it was available starting on midnight yesterday, and it sold out. And then it came back, and then it sold out. But don't worry, it's coming back again. If you are not on my list for my newsletter, make sure you do. I'll put the link in the description below where you can sign up for my newsletter, and that's where you're going to get all the information on what specials are out there and when you can buy them. So I look forward to doing some stamping with you. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye!